This is the HACHIEMON Japanese weeding tool. It's basically a super sharp hoe. That's what this is. This thing's about 13 inches long overall. We got a 5-inch blade, composite steel. It's super lightweight, fits nice in your hand. I guess this is a right-handed version of this. I don't know if a left-handed version is something that they make. Totally using this right-handed. Getting ready to clear the weeds out of my mulch bed this year before I lay down new mulch, and this is the perfect tool for it. Let me show you how it works. Simple to use lightweight weeding tool. Basically, you just stick the thing in here and you pull it out. You pull everything out. It just pulls this stuff out, clears it, cuts through this stuff really super nice. Going to get this stuff out of here. It's actually a little root there. Look at that. I got roots. Look, it cut right through those. Wow. Probably wasn't supposed to do that. Super easy to use. Super lightweight. Look at that. Cut right through that. Just hose it out, pulls the stuff out. It's got the roots on that one. HACHIEMON Japanese weeding tool.